Hello, today's video is going to be on the different types of LED flashlights and the batteries that can be used with each flashlight. Each LED flashlight is somewhat similar in lumens, and I found out that although they use these 1.5 volt AAA batteries, that if you take this adapter out, that you could possibly use 18650 batteries in them. But here's the situation. Not all battery compartments are the same length. If you take the battery compartment out of this LED flashlight, you'll find that it is not the same length. And you can't put an 18650 battery in this type of flashlight. So I'm going to set this one aside just for a little bit. So, I'm taking this battery adapter out. All three batteries are equal to 4.5. Okay, so I'm taking this battery compartment out. Now it does work with AAA batteries. Here's the bonus for this type of flashlight. If you take the battery compartment out, you'll discover that this 18650 battery fits in here. The additional 0.2 volts should not be enough to fry the PCB board and the electronics that are situated on the inside of this battery compartment, or on the inside of the flashlight. So this larger capacity battery, not only in size, is also a rechargeable battery, 18650 battery, so long as you have an 18650 charger. Okay, so that's what I discovered, that if you have this type of flashlight and 18650 batteries, that you can upgrade this flashlight with a better type of battery, rechargeable battery. Okay, here's the other bonus. These batteries I did not go out and purchase. I've taken these batteries out of old laptop battery packs. They are situated in the battery compartments of most laptop batteries. It so happens that this particular battery I had taken out of this battery pack for a laptop. Sad but true, laptop battery packs do run out of the ability to power a laptop battery. Most often we dispose of these, but with just a little bit of finesse and a lot of care, you can take these batteries out of these battery compartments. This one is now hollow, and it is from this particular battery pack for a laptop. So not all 18650 batteries are viable. You'll have to meter them, and then you'll have to try them in your particular charger that ticks for the condition of these batteries, which is this battery pack that I have. Okay, for demonstration purposes, it checks the condition of each battery in its bay with the type of voltage, the amp hour rating, and even down to the amount of amp hour usage. Now, I'm not sponsored by this company yet. I'm going to try to contact them and get sponsorship through them, or the permission to even use their battery pack by name. So for right now, this will still have to remain a mystery. Sorry about that. But if you try to contact me, or not really try to contact me, but in the future I will state what type of battery pack this is by company name and model number. Okay, so the 18650 battery is surely one of my favorite ones. Not only because their ability to be recharged continuously, the robustness of the battery itself, its long life versus the store-bought batteries. I'll find that these batteries have a longer shelf life. And if I pause the video just for a second, I'm going to look at the back of the battery pack to see its manufacturing date. Okay, with this particular battery that came out of a laptop, I kid you not, the year date stamp is right here. And it might be just a little bit older in months, and it states September 2009. Okay, but as I stated previously, this particular battery pack does not have the ability to power a laptop. For some reason or other, the planned obsolescence of this battery pack makes it impossible for it to charge and power and turn on a laptop. So like I had stated, most often we take these batteries and we take them and we trade them in for new battery packs. I'd finessed this one open, removed the PCB board along with the batteries, which are, I believe, 6 in number. Yeah, 6 in number. So, taking this battery pack, I put it back on the laptop and use it as a dust cover now. So, I personally would not recommend taking these batteries out unless you're a computer technician and you're somewhat savvy in on how to take things apart. There is arc possibilities, and it can cause a fire. So you can't blame me for giving anybody permission. I'm just stating how I found this battery, or I was able to recycle this battery. I will not cannot be held responsible for others that do things irresponsibly. I'm just stating facts. This is a 2009 battery that has now gone into this type of flashlight. Okay, the bonus for the day is this particular item right here, which is a fiber optic inspection wand attachment that attaches to a particular style of LED flashlight. I suppose if I were to take a caliper and measure the diameter here, I would find that it attaches to this particular flashlight. And in doing so, I had used it in my field tech days to inspect areas in either computers or copiers and inspect for problematic parts or otherwise other repair scenarios. So I had gone to a hardware store where all in all they had these items on discount. The hardware store, sadly enough, was a sole proprietor, and they were going out of business. I was very sad to see them go. They had these items on clearance. I purchased 3 of them, and right here I have 2 on my bench. The third one is still in its bubble plastic wrapping, along with the name of the company and the type of flashlight that it could be attached to. Okay, so that's the video for today. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.